guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation plus, minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 0, B is 4, C is 8 and D is 10. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel if you are new with my channel, and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel, and also support my channel so that I can achieve my 1K subscribers. So now let's talk about what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. As you can see, we will discuss here two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS. These rules we can apply to solve the given expression and any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see and power of any number, so you can solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3 is you have to solve division and multiplication. Both has similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now, let's talk about what we can solve, how we can solve this given expression. So, according to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, we have to solve first bracket. So, first of all, we have to solve this bracket, which is 6 minus 5 multiplied by 1. So, first we have here, we will write 20 because we will solve first bracket, which is inside the square bracket. So, we will solve this one. And other parts, I am writing as it is right now, 8. So, 6. So first we have to solve this 6 minus 5, which is equals to 1 minus 1, and this part we will write as it is, and 4. 5. Now we have to give the reference 6 minus 5 equals to 1. Now again we have to solve inside bracket, which is this first one, inner bracket. 20 minus, again we will write this part as it is, 8, and this one is 1 minus 1 equals to 0, multiply, and we will close curly bracket and divided by 4, we can write as it is. And here we will give the reference 1 minus 1 equals to 0. Now, we have solved one bracket. Now we have to solve this bracket, which is curly bracket. So we will solve this one, 20 minus 8 multiplied by 0 equals to 0, because when we will multiply any number which is multiplied by 0, so we will get the answer is 0. And this multiplication, basically here we have the implied multiplication, because here we do not have any multiplication sign, but these two numbers are multiplying each other. So this multiplication called implied multiplication. And here we will give right as it is, 0 divided by 4. And we will give the reference here, 8 multiplied by 0 equals to 0. Now we have again bracket, which is square bracket. So 0 divided by 4, 0 divided by any number, we get the answer is 0. So the answer of this part, 0 divided by 4 equals to 0. Now we will write 0 divided by, now we have two terms which are subtracting each other. So 20 minus 0 equals to 20. So if you see the answer, so answer D is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. So meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.